In previous section, we have to discuss about the decision variable. Decision variable is used for calculating the pixel value with the help of some distance variable. We have to add that value in the previous pixel point, and we can generate the new pixel on the screen. So this is used for the Bresenham circle drawing algorithm. Now we have to discuss about the step by step procedure or the instruction set which is used for preparing the Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. In which case we need to be access the value of r, means we have to read the value of r or the access the value of r from the user. So first step is read the radius, that is r, for the circle. Second, we need to calculate the decision variable. We already discussed how to calculate or the how to prepare the formula for decision variable, which is d is equal to 3 minus 2r. Third step, initialize x is equal to 0, y is equal to radius. This is your starting point, which having the two coordinates x and y. Next step, we have to follow the n number of steps for preparing the next or find out the next pixel on the given screen. So first we need to plot the initial pixel value. This is 0 and r with the help of plot function. After that, we need to follow the particular condition. For example, either d is less than 0 or either d is greater than 0. We already discussed how to consider the formula according to the this diagram. If we find out the a, so in that case we consider the y is equal to constant value or previous y, and x is increment by 1 unit. And if we found the particular b value, x is increment by 1 unit and y is decreased by 1 unit. So according to the condition, we need to be a follow. At every case we need to be increase x by 1. Only change is there, either we have to decrease y or either we consider y remain as it is. So it's totally depend on the distance variable value. In that case, if the distance variable is less than 0, then we does not need to be decrement the y value, we only increase the y value. So the formula for new decision variable, d is equal to old d plus 4x plus 6. Else, we calculate the new distance variable, d is equal to d plus 4x minus y plus 10, and y decrease by 1 unit. And both the cases we need to be increase x is equal to x plus 1. आता हा x प्लस 1 तुम्ही इथे पण प्लॉट करू शकता आणि इथे पण करू शकता. मी तो काय केला, कॉमन काढला डू कंडिशन मध्ये. तुम्ही हे स्टेटमेंट इथे पण लिहू शकतात आणि इथे पण लिहू शकतात. मी हे दोघांसाठी कॉमन केलंय. ही जरी कंडिशन एक्झिक्यूट झाली तरी एक्स इन्क्रीमेंट होणार बाय 1 युनिट. इफ दिस कंडिशन इज गेट satisfied, that time x is increment by 1 unit. Both the cases we need to be increase x by 1 unit. But if the decision variable is greater than 0, at that case we only decrease the value of y minus 1 and x is increment by 1 unit. How many times we have to follow that condition or the expression we need to be execute? X is less than y. And last step is stop. This is the algorithm for implementing the circle with the help of Bresenham's method. So now we discuss about one example regarding to the Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. So here calculate the pixel position along with the circle path which having the radius r is equal to 10 centered on the origin using the Bresenham circle drawing algorithm from the point 0 10 to point x is equal to 1. This is the question. So first step is we need to be access the radius. So what is the value of r? 10. Now next step is we need to be calculate the decision parameter. D is equal to 3 minus 2r. Okay. So D is equal to 3 minus 2r. What is the value of r is 10. So you replace the r with the help of 10. So 3 minus 2 into 10. Answer is minus 17. Your decision variable value is minus 17. So now plot the initial value. So initialize x is equal to 0 and y is equal to r, that is 10. So initially we need to be a plot 0 and 10 is this is the starting point. 0 and 10. This is your first pixel on the given screen. So first we prepare the tabular format, x value, y value and decision value. In first case 0 is r, x value, y having r value which is 10 and what is the value of d is minus 17. In next iteration we increase the x by 1 unit. Okay. So check according to the algorithm the d is less than 0 or not. Okay, after plotting the initial value we need to be a consider d is less than 0. Check minus 17 is less than 0, condition true. So we can execute new d is equal to d plus 4x plus 6. So plot that value d is equal to d plus 4x plus 6. So what is the value of d is minus 17 plus 4 into what is the value of x is 0 plus 6. Minus 17 plus 6 is equal to minus 11. This is your new d. So here we need to be plot. In that case we does not need to change the y value. Okay, we only change the x value which is increment by 1 unit. So what is the value of y is r means 10 and x is increased by 1 unit. What is the value of x is previously 0 plus 1, this is 1. So new x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 10 and what is the value of d is minus 11. This is the next iteration. Again we shift to the next. So again we need to be check the decision variable. What is the value of d now? Minus 11 is less than 0, condition true. So in that case we increment x by 1 unit and we need to be find out the d value. So d is equal to old d plus 4x plus 6 is equal to what is the value of old is minus 11 plus 4 into what is the value of previous x is 1 plus 6. Minus 11 plus 4 plus 6 minus 11 plus 10 is equal to minus 1. This is the new d. So in that case we consider y remain as it is and x increment by 1. What is the value of x in previously calculated? 1 plus 1 x is equal to 2. So what is the value of x now? 2. What is the value of y is 10 and what is the new d is minus 1. Again we need to be consider di value. Minus 1 is less than 0, condition true. So calculate d is equal to d plus 4x plus 6. What is the value of new d is minus 1 plus 4 into what is the value of x is 2. plus 6. So minus 1 plus 4 twos are 8 plus 6 minus 1 plus 14 plus 13. This is your new D. So again x is increment by 1 unit. What is the value of x is? 2 plus 1 is 3 and y remain as it is. So we need to be consider 3, 10. What is the value of new D is? 13. So again compare D is greater than or less than 13 is less than 0. Condition false. इथे कंडिशन काय झाली? फॉल्स झाली. सो देअरफॉर we execute the else condition. In else condition, we can decrease the y value by 1 unit and we can find out the d with the help of this expression. So we can calculate y is equal to y minus 1. What is the value of y here? 10 minus 1, which is 9, and x is equal to x plus 1. What is the value of x in previously calculated? 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. And what is the value of new d is equal to d plus 4 in bracket x minus y plus 10. What is the value of d in previously calculated? 13 plus 4. What is the value of x is? What is the value of x is 3 minus 10 plus 10. So 13 plus 4 into minus 7 plus 10. So 13 minus 28 plus 10. 15 plus 10 is equal to minus 5. This is your new D. Okay, minus 5 is your new D. You can execute that condition till the x is less than y. What is the value of initially x is 0 and what is the value of y is 10. So till that condition we need to be execute the particular example. So according to that we need to be find out that chart, and with the help of this we need to be plot that value on the given screen with the help of Bresenham's circle drawing algorithm. And whenever we plot the reflection, so we need to be consider the symmetry of circle for plotting that point.